This is ShadowQuant Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Thursday, May 7, 2026, and this is the New York pre-market. Now, let's get into it. Bitcoin rallies 12% after a 10-day sell-off, and the S&P 500 is trading at a new all-time high. Let's break down what's moving markets ahead of the open.
The S&P 500 is up 1.39% at 733.83. The Nasdaq 100 is up 2.8% at 695.77, and the Dow is up 1.24% at 499.5. The biggest gainers are Bain, up 99.900%, Club up 4.208%, and GNMX up 1.539%. The biggest losers are F5WS, down 99.8%, IPOFWS, down 99.77%, and SBTKW, down 99.6%. The technology sector is leading the charge, up 2.66%, while energy is the laggard, down 4.12%.
Now, let's look at what's driving the corporate news.
Core Scientific reports weaker than expected Q4 results, dragging the stock lower. Trump-linked American Bitcoin reports an $82 million Q1 loss, missing revenue estimates. Hut 8 investors are ignoring the loss, sending the stock up 33%. SEC filings today include 8Ks from Avtex, Cell, RMTI, GEM, and BXSL. Dividends are coming from HFWA, 5E, XQQI, Base CBP, and TSLP, all with X dates on May 6.
Now, let's check the economic calendar and what's on the radar. The Fed funds rate stands at 3.64%. Core PCE inflation is at 3.2% year-over-year. The unemployment rate is at 4.3%. Today's key event is the BOE rate decision at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern. Tomorrow, the U.S. will release non-farm payrolls at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. The market is watching for signs of rate hikes or pauses. Let's check the risk signals.
Risk Desk reports no elevated signals today. The VIX is at 17.38, down from yesterday's close.
Now, let's look ahead to what's coming next.
Watch the BOE rate decision and the U.S. non-farm payrolls. The S&P 500 is testing resistance at 735, and the Nasdaq 100 is eyeing 700. Bitcoin remains resilient despite the broader fear. The most important thing to watch: the Fed's stance on inflation and the path to rate cuts.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the New York session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.